Hi friends, hope you all are fine. Today in this video, I'm going to share unbiased sarees.com reviews. Friends, before sharing sarees.com reviews, I would like to inform you that it's not a promotional video, neither this website is owned by me. So throughout the video, we will just go through all the checkpoints to know whether it's a legitimate or a scam website. In addition to this guys, through this video I will help you to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that sarees.com claims to offer trending collection of sarees, salwars, lehengas, menswear, gown and kurtis. Guys, one very important thing that you need to notice here is that the products are offered at flat 50% discount. Now, let's proceed to know information related to payments. So, here you can see that payment options available are Visa, Mastercards, Internet banking and cash on delivery. So, as we all know, COD is the best and safest option. Now, let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that the estimated shipping charges are directly stated while shipping time is not specified clearly. So the very first line states that sarees.com provides free shipping to their customers all across India. So guys, it's quite a positive sign as you don't need to pay extra money for shipping, and the international shipping and handling rate is based on the size of the customer's order. The larger is the order, the lower is the rate. Now let's have a look on return refund policies. So here we can see that if the customers wish to return the product, then they should write the email to sarees.com within 48 hours of receiving the product, and refund if applicable will be initiated soon. Apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so here we can see that no information is disclosed by the officials on the website regarding the order cancellation. So once you place the order, there is no cancellation option. Now let's move to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, sarees.com uses HTTPS connection, so the information you get or send through the website is safe, which is a quite positive sign. And apart from this guys, talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 27th January 2009. Thus the website have much traffic as it's into existence from almost 12 years. Now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here on the official page we can see that all the vital information such as company's address, its contact number and email ID is provided, which is support@sarees.com, and for wholesale@sarees.com, and if there is a measurement issue you can write them an email on measurement@sarees.com, while for purchasing the products you can write at sales@sarees.com. And guys, here you will see that link of Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube and Instagram are given, and these links link the customers on the official social media account of sarees.com. So it's quite impressive and a positive sign. And talking about the sarees.com reviews guys, so here on the official website you will see that there is a separate section for customers feedback, where almost all the customer feedbacks are from international customers, and majority of the customers state that the quality offered is just awesome. So guys, based on all these checkpoints, I would like to conclude today's video by saying that sarees.com is a legitimate and a trustworthy website as it's into existence from past 12 years. Customer feedback are positive, content over the website is original, and addition to all these points, one highly impressive thing is that their customer care team is highly active. So guys, if you are planning to buy ethnic wear, you can prefer sarees.com as it offers high quality products with cash on delivery option. So you don't need to worry about sharing your card details as you can go for COD option. And at last friends, I would like to state that if you have ever ordered anything from this website, don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers get first-hand information. Also, please do like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.